that type of judging is more subjective. It's flowing form, shape, and design. And then there's point judging, which we have done here today, and which we do at Pebble Beach, and the International Chief Judge Advisory Group. That's the type of judging that we support and promote. That type of judging, all cars start off with 100 points, so they all start off being viewed as perfect cars, and then we work backwards and deduct points for minor infractions.
And unlike the common thought about much of the judging at a concours like Pebble Beach, where everything has got to be absolutely perfect, not a blade of grass seen, no trace of the car actually is a moving, operating object, that's not actually the purpose of this type of judging at all.
No, not at all. In fact, what we're trying to do is we're trying to preserve these vehicles, preserve their authenticity and originality. And it's really nice to see at events like this and at Pebble Beach that preservation vehicles now have a class of their own. In fact, at some auctions of late, preserved vehicles are commanding more money than restored vehicles.
And your goal and that of the judges that operate under the system is to acknowledge and reward originality and correctness. If it came from the factory with some orange peel in the paint, that's what you want to see on the field.
Absolutely. I mean, that is how it began life. And that's what we want to see continue. And we actually deduct points for over-restoration.
Well, that is absolutely amazing, and we are so incredibly pleased that these new standards have been brought here to the Forest Grove Concours. It is a tribute to the people who organized this event and to the entrants that this has been brought to a new and higher level than ever before. And we are so grateful for your participation, Nigel, and look forward to the amazing work that you'll be doing with the Concours in years to come.
Well, thank you, and I just want to say I'm absolutely thrilled to be here. 46 years is an incredible achievement, and I can see why that's happened, because there's the passion, there's the spirit, there's the support from the community, and all wonderful volunteers. So I take my hats off to you.
Thank you very much. Nigel Matthews, our lead judge. Thank you, Nigel. I think our next, well, my co-host is changing his outfit because he wants to make sure that he matches the BMW coming up for the People's Choice Award. But we will now be choosing our People's Choice Award, and who is going to actually make the pick here for this? Do we have someone to make the pick for the People's Choice Award?
My daughter is in the audience here, Alexandra Martin Danzer. I would like to have her come up to make the People's Choice. Alex, there, one of the pieces of paper has a little piece of gum on it. That's mine. So if you could pick that. And what are they, Alan? They're winning their choice of cars from the field? Is that
their choice of cars from the field. This bag is filled with car keys, and if you pick the right car key out, you might drive home with one of those great Alphas over there, or
you're getting tickets to Shape of Speed?
4 tickets to the Shape of Speed exhibition at the Portland Art Museum, as well as a Griot Car Care complete detailer's bag. Filled, actually, it's not just a bag, it's actually filled with product. And that's courtesy of Side Draft City. And so we're very, very excited about that. And no, Keith, we actually took all of your entries out of the box.
All of them?
Every one of them.
All 76 of them?
All 76,
oh
yes.
My
so,
God.
Alex.
Can you do the music, Donald? Do, 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 do.
And?
Alfa Romeo, 1750 Roundtail. Jack C. Say.
Jack C. Jack, you here? Just sit up. Do you want to come and get your bag? Or shall we bring it to you? If we bring it to you, it might be empty by the time it gets down there.